Hi, today I'll show you how to add your PayPal checkout in Jotform. So let's get started. So let's go ahead. I'll use this form now. So we need to do is drag the payment element. So let's go into elements, payments, scroll down and then drag on PayPal checkout here. So let's connect our PayPal by clicking on connect. Now we're connected. You can go now to add your settings you want and then go add the product. Example here is registration fee and then $50. You can add image if you want, then click save. Then let's go preview this form. So here's our form. So we're gonna select the product and then select PayPal, and that is how you add your PayPal checkout on Jotform. So if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below in the description. When you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you for watching.